Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you subject Maths, Class 2, Chapter Multiplication. Okay, children, are you ready? Multiplication sixes. Encircle the numbers by counting in sixes. I told you, no, multiplication different ways. Repeated addition I told you. This is counting in six. Then if you count 1 to 50 numbers counting in 6, you will get 6 table, children. Here 1 to 50 numbers are there. You count by counting in sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle, encircle. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Like that if you count 6 numbers and encircle, children. 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. See, children, if you are counting in sixes, you will get 6 tables. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48. Okay, children, if you count like this, you can get 6 table. And complete the pattern and make 6 table, learn it. I told you, no, children, repeated addition. 6 1 ja 6. 6 plus 6, 12 you will get. 2 6 ja 12. Like that if you do 6 3 times, if you add, you will get 18. 6 4 times if you add, you will get 24. 6 5 times if you add, you will get 30. Okay, children. 6 6 times if you add, 36 you will get. 6 7 times if you add, you will get 42. 6 8 times if you add, you will get 48. 6 9 times if you add 6 plus 6 like this, 9 times you will get 54. 6 10 times if you add, you will get 60. This is 6 table. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja. Means 2 times if you add, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. Learn 6 table, children. Okay, children. Now answer these, children. You learn 6 table, no, children. If we ask in middle, 6 3s are how much? 18. 6 6s are 36. 6 5s are 30. 6 8s are 42. 6 2s are 12. 6 7s are 42. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. If you learn thoroughly tables, you can answer, children. Okay, children, learn 6 table. Solve the following problem. Here, a child eats 6 biscuits every day. A child eats 6 biscuits every day. How many biscuits does he eat in 9 days? One day a child eats 6 biscuits. 9 days, how many biscuits does he eat? Means what you have to do? You have to multiply. 9 6 are 54. 54 biscuits he will eat in 9 days. Okay, children. Come to the next sum. 6 vases have 6 flowers each. Okay, children. Each vase has how many flowers? 6 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? 6 vases. In one vase, how many flowers each? 6. 6 vases, how many flowers are there in all? You have to multiply 6 6 36 flowers. Okay, children, practice at home this word problem, children. Now, multiplication sevens. Encircle the numbers by counting sevens. Okay, children, already I explained you counting how you should count the numbers. 6 table, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, roughly I'll explain you. You practice at home, children. You can get 7 table by encircling by 7. 5 table means encircling by 5. 6 table encircling by 6. Count. Here 7 table encircling the numbers by counting 7. 1, 1 to 50 numbers is there. Count 7 table, no? 7 numbers you have to count and you should encircle the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Encircle. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 14 you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Encircle. Like that all the number 7, 7 you count and encircle the number. Then you will get what, children? 7 table. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49. Okay children, this is one method. Now complete the pattern 7 table and learn it. I told you repeated addition. Okay children, 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 7 14, you will get 2 7s are 14, like that. Okay, 7 3 times if you add you will get 21. So 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6, okay, 5 7s or 7 5s are 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. If you add 10 times 7, you will get 70. This is repeated addition. Now 10 7, 7 10s are 70. Okay children? Okay children, these all, see, 4 times if you add 7, 28 you will get. This is called repeated addition children. Practice at home children. Now answer these. Learn 7 table well children. Every day you should learn 2 to 10 tables at home children. When you will get up, once you revise 7 tables, you learn. When we will ask in the middle, 7 2s are how much? 14. You have to answer. Okay children, thoroughly you should learn tables, then only you can do multiplication children. Okay, without mistakes you can do multiplication. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are how much children? If I will ask, you have to answer immediately 35. If you learn table, then only you can answer children. Isn't it children? 7 3s are 21. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. Okay children, learn 7 table. Now here 2 word problems is there. I'll explain children. 3 houses have 7 windows each. Okay, each house have 7 windows. How many windows are there in all? What you have to do? Multiply. 3 7s are 21 windows. In 3 houses, how many windows? 21 windows. Okay children. You know that 1 week has 7 days. You know no children? 1 week how many days? 7 days. How many days are there in 5 weeks? 1 week has 7 days. In 5 weeks how many days? What you have to do? 7 days, 7 into 5 weeks. 7 5s are 35 days. Okay children, multiplication you have to do. Okay children, learn 7 table. Now multiplication 8s. I told you no children, encircle number by counting in 8s. 8 table. 1 to 50 numbers are here. You have to count 8 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Encircle. Already I explained, but roughly again I am explaining. You practice at home children each table. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. Okay children, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 encircle. Like that you count and you encircle 8, 8, counting in 8s. Then you will get 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. Okay children. Now complete the pattern and make your 8 table, learn it. I told you no children, repeated addition. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 3 times if you add you will get 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Okay children. You learn 8 table thoroughly children. 8 if you add 10 times you will get 80. 8 tens are 80. Okay children, now answer these. You know 8 table na? 8 sevens are how much children? 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 twos are 16. If I will ask tables, 8 nines are how much? You have to answer 72. If you know 8 table, then only you are able to answer. You learn tables children. 8 fives are 40, 8 fours are 32, 8 sixes are 48, 8 threes are 24. Solve the following problems. A house has 8 bulbs in each room. In each room, how many bulbs? 8 bulbs. How many bulbs are there in 6 rooms? What you have to do children? Multiplication. 6 eights are 48 bulbs. Okay children, in 6 room, in each room 8 bulbs. 6 rooms, how many bulbs means what you have to do? 6 eights are 48 bulbs. Okay children, 3 boxes have 3 pencils. Sorry, 3 boxes have 8 pencils each. Each box how many pencils children? 8 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? How many boxes are there? 3 boxes. In each box how many pencils are there children? 8. So 3 boxes, how many pencils are there means what you have to do? Multiplication. 3 eights are 24 pencils. Okay children. Now again 9 table. Multiplication 9s. These all pages you have to practice at home children. That's why each and every page I am explaining you children. Okay children. Encircle the numbers by counting 9s. 8 table by counting 8s. 7 table by counting 7. Now 9 table by counting 9s. 1 to 50 numbers is there. What you have to do? Count and encircle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth one what you have to do? Encircle. Again next 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting in nines. Like that you can count up to 59, 9 and encircle children. Then what you will get? 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. If you write up to 100, then you will get full table also if you encircle counting in nines. Now complete the pattern and make 9 table, learn it. I to explain you know children, this is what repeated addition. 9 one time if you do, 9 ones are 9. 9 two times if you add, you will get 18. 9 three times if you add, you will get 27. This is repeated addition. This is 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. If you add 9 10 times, you will get 90, 9 tens are 90. Okay children, now answer these. You know 9 table, learn 9 table well children. Now answer these children. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 eights are 72, 9 sevens are 63, 9 fives are 45. 9 nines are 81, 9 fours are 36. If you learn 9 table thoroughly, then only you can answer these children. Okay children, come to the next. Solve the following problems. There are 6 racks. How many racks are there? 6 racks. Each rack has 9 plates. Each rack has how many plates? 9 plates. How many plates are there in all? How many racks? 6. Each rack has 9. How many means what you have to do? Multiplication. 6 nines are 54 plates. Okay children. Now come to the next sum. 4 boxes have 9 chocolates. 4 boxes have how many chocolates children? How many? Each box have 9 chocolates each. 4 boxes. In one box how many chocolates? 9. How many chocolates are there in all? 4 nines are 36 chocolates. Okay children, in each box 9 chocolates. Total box is 4. 4 nines are 36 chocolates. Okay children. Now next page, multiplication tens. Same children, before 9, counting by 9s, counting in 9s we did know, like here 1 to 50 numbers is there, counting in 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, n circle. Like that, again 10 count and n circle. Then you will get 10 table. 10 ones are 10. All of you know 10 table, very easy table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Okay, children. Practice at home, children. Next, complete the pattern and make your 10 table, learn it. Repeated addition, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are, if you add 10 plus 10 you will get 20, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. If you do 3 times, if you add 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 you will get 30. 4 times if you add 10 you will get 40. 5 times if you add you will get 50. 6 times if you add 60. 7 times if you add 10, 70. 8 times if you add 10, 80. 9 times if you add 90. 10 times if you add 100. This is repeated addition, children. This is 10 table, children. Now here is small assignment for you, children. Now 10 ones are how much? 10. 10 eights are 80. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 twos are 20. 10 fours are 40. 10 nines are 90. 10 threes are 30. You learn 10 table, then you answer this assignment, children. Okay, children. Next online class we will meet you, children. See you, children.